So in this question, we've got 35 and 100th plus 213 and 3/10. Because we're adding decimals, the most important thing to do is to make sure that we line up our decimal points. So let's write in this first number first. The next thing I'll do is I'll write in the second number under the first. But the most important thing is to make sure that we use the decimal point in our first number as a guide for the second decimal point. So let's write a decimal point under the first. Next, let's write in everything to the left of the decimal point, making sure that we only write one number in each column. So I'll put a 3 under this 5, the 1 under this 3, and then a 2 over here on the left. Next, let's write in any values to the right of the decimal point. So this 3 will go directly under this 0. If there are any blank spaces, we can fill those blank spaces with zeros as placeholders. So I'll put a 0 under this 1 and a 0 above this 2. Then we can put an addition sign, underline everything, and then get to work, starting in the right column. And just a brief reminder, the reason why we line up our decimal points is because when we do that, we line up our place values in the proper columns. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. Don't forget your decimal point. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 0 plus 2 is 2. Making the final answer 248 and 31/100ths, more commonly read as 248.31.